My boyfriend pretended to be single in front of other girls when he didn't know I was standing next to him. Posted by you/dumbpoor discuss. My boyfriend, 23M, and I, 21F, have our first year anniversary in 2 weeks. We went out last night to a birthday party for our mutual friend. He got pretty tipsy but not wasted, and I didn't drink since I was driving us home. I don't drink anyway. At some point during the night, I went to get water, and when I came back, there was a crush of people in the room, so I was standing directly behind him, trying to get through. He was talking to some girl, and I heard her ask, "So was that girl you came in with your girlfriend?" And he distinctly said, after some hesitation, "No, she's just my roommate, haha." I got really pissed off.